In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 most common hair problems with easy and effective solutions. If you love to get new tips and tricks, subscribe our channel and ring the bell icon. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Dandruff. Dandruff or white flakes that are found at the root of the hair can be caused due to different factors. Poor diet, weak metabolism, hair infection, and sometimes dryness are few common reasons. One of the natural solutions for this problem is oiling your hair regularly. Oil keeps your hair nourishment intact. So, choose for an essential oil that suits your skin and keeps your scalp dandruff-free. Massage your scalp for at least 15 to 20 minutes every time before you shampoo. Also, opt for anti-dandruff shampoo instead of the normal one in state of dandruff. Number 2. Split ends. When the outer end of the hair splits in 2 or 3, it is known as having hair split ends. Split ends can be the result of overbrushing your hair, or using too much of hair straightener. Sometimes, lack of a good conditioner can also split ends. The easiest and effective way to get rid of hair split ends is professional hair trimming every 3 weeks. Use hair split end serums that help you repair broken and brittle strands to make it healthy and hydrated. Number 3. Dry hair. One reason for greasy or oily hair is dirty scalp. Another reason can be the scalp, which naturally produces too much of a natural oil called sebum. In order to keep the excessive amounts of oil in control, wash your hair every alternate days. On the other hand, using hard water for washing your hair and shampooing too often are the causes of dull and dry hair. To beat this problem effectively, try hot oil treatment and use mild shampoos with moisturizing conditioner. Number 4. Hair fall. Hair fall is a very common problem among women. Stress, medication, or changing hormones can be the reasons of this problem. Another reason that we tend to overlook is using many hair styling products, which leads to damaging hair. Effective method to battle hair fall is to limit the use of heat products. Opt for products with tea tree oil to beat hair fall. Tea tree oil helps to renew the scalp and hair, and revitalize the charm. Number 5. Frizzy hair. Frizzy hair occurs when the moisture level of the hair falls below normal level. To get frizz-free hair, we suggest you to use the combination of shampoos and conditioners that are specifically designed for frizzy hair. You can also try products with awapuhi extract, which helps provide moisture balance. So, beat these hair problems by taking essential care in the right manner for beautiful hair to flaunt anytime. Follow description box link to get best products idea.